Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cook garlic, chili and ginger prawns coated in sesame seed. And also I'm going to make a Korean dipping sauce to go along with it. Now this Korean dipping sauce is very versatile. You can use it for pork, beef, chicken, fish. It goes with virtually anything. It's a very tasty recipe and I make it all the time. So please watch, follow along, and I'll show you how to make this. See you soon. First thing I'm going to do is add some garlic cloves, and then after that we'll add in some freshly chopped ginger. Put the lid on the machine and then turn it on for 3 seconds at speed 5 to chop it up. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to move it all down to the blades again, and when that's done add in some sugar, some vinegar, chili paste, ketchup, soy sauce, all the rest of the ingredients until you get it all mixed, and then it's ready. Right, now to prepare for the prawns. We dip the prawns into some seasoned flour and then mix it all over. When that's done, add them into your egg mix. Mix it in with a fork so that you keep your hands dry, and then put them into the mix of the breadcrumbs and the chili flakes. There you are, that's all mixed up, ready to go in the fry. Add them into your pan, keep your eye on, you don't want to burn them. And remember to turn them over. When they're cooked, drain off the oil and then add in garlic and ginger paste and gently fry. And there you can see the finished prawns with the dipping sauce. Hello, welcome back. Right, well I've done that, and there are the prawns coated with panko breadcrumbs and chili, and they really do taste nice. They've got a little bit of a kick. And as for this sauce, I really recommend that you make this because it's such a tasty and versatile sauce. I'm just going to have a little go, see what it's like. They are nice, that's got a kick. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Please like and subscribe, and see you all again soon. Bye.